I'm Corey, and I own 3D Print Designs. Yeah, it was when I got my, you know what it was? I got my Traxxas Slash that I bought when I was 17. I pulled it out of my closet, took it to the beach where I used to live, and was like, dude, I love this. I forgot how much I love this. And then I thought, let's make this way better. And that's kind of how it happened. I scooched my chair up, failed, but as soon as I got something working, I was addicted. Totally addicted. And I did it just because I loved it. Straight up. I had no intentions on selling a single part. I didn't want to. I was so nervous that people wouldn't think my stuff was good enough because I hold myself very high. And if it's not good enough for me, there's no way I'm going to let anyone else use it. No way. Yeah, I mean, you really can't produce total garbage parts. There's a lot of expectations. And you also have some constraints like the pricing. You can use all the parts in the world, but it might get expensive. And if no one can afford it, then who am I helping? I would say everyone that I've met since doing this, I mean, I can remember 150 people's names that I talk to regularly. They've become friends. This backyard stuff turned into something like this. More than I could ever expect. Very cool. I'm not just selling parts. I really do this because I like it. Like, I build this stuff because I like it. None of this will hit the website. I just spent all day yesterday building this for fun. So, I mean, yeah, you got questions about builds, and if you want to brainstorm stuff, hit me with a message. I like chatting, especially when it's about stuff like this. And my goal is to honestly share parts with everyone so they can have the same enjoyment that I have. I know it's 3D printing, and a lot of people associate that with bad plastic pieces, but I have prided myself on making sure that's not the case anymore. I know a lot of other people think the same way. I'm a true RC guy. When you travel 30 minutes away and you're pumped to run that truck that you just got or you just put parts on and something breaks right away, that is the worst. I'm not perfect, but I do stand behind every product that I have. I mean, honestly, my goals, though, is just I would like to continue to produce parts for more and more chassis. A lot of the solid axle stuff. I'd love to do other things like ARMA, maybe getting some tire carriers out there. Things that just aren't being produced. It is kind of my goal. I kind of like the challenge.